Okay, welcome back, and we're going to check the CG of the aircraft. I like to use the Great Plains CG machine. It's a wonderful tool. You can see the picture there, how you set it up. They show the airplane upside down. I like to do mine right side up. Just seems to work better for me. It really doesn't matter. So the book recommends 84 millimeters. Actually, they recommend the front limit is 81. The aft limit is 90 millimeters. I like to use millimeters because the CG machine measures in both inches and millimeters is a bit more accurate. So between 81 and 90, I want it to have. I like to have the airplane with a little bit forward. Nose heavy CG slightly. So I have the ruler right here. Let's see if it can zoom in on that. Okay, so there's a ruler, and that ruler is set. I can't read it. That's okay. So that ruler is set for 84 millimeters on both sides. And let me make sure you see the whole thing. I'm going to tilt down a little. So there's the CG machine, balanced right up on the bottom of the airplane. Eventually I'll mark the CG here with a Sharpie marker or something, but I'll do that after I know where the CG is. So at 84, you can see that this thing is fairly well balanced. Now I'm looking for the angle of the airplane. You can go by these stripes here. They're fairly level. The bottom of the airplane, or the flatness, the flat bottom of the wing should be level. And it is pretty level. It's slightly nose down. That's what I'm looking for. So if I sit here and let it swing, that's what I call a balanced airplane at 84, right where it's supposed to be. So couldn't move the battery anyways. The only option is to put on some lead weights. I've got plenty of those. I always have a collection of, 1 or 2 lead weights, and then 3s and 4s, and so I can just throw those on the back without sticking them, and or on the front if I need some on the nose. So I think this CG is in pretty good shape. I still got my handkerchief over here on the front because I don't want to cut myself. That's not changing the CG enough. So at 84, it looks very well balanced, and that's all it is to it. Wonderful machine. You ought to have one if you're going to build an aircraft. Thank you, and hope you enjoy the next video.